subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The Vivo's latest Y series phone has been launched in China as Vivo Y73t, and it looks quite similar to the recently launched iQOO Z6X smartphone, but with some minor changes in terms of specifications. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the Vivo Y73t smartphone. The Vivo Y73t features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 90.62% screen-to-body ratio. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali-G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y73t supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture alongside the 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. And for selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box with OriginOS 11 skin on top, and it is fueled by a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 44W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G dual-band Wi-Fi Bluetooth 5.1 GPS 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.87 by 75.33 by 9.17mm, and it weighs around 201.5 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y73t has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from October 10th in fog blue, mirror black and autumn color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y73t smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.